Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use eToro for copy trading in cryptocurrencies, full guide step by step clearly. To start using eToro for copy trading in cryptocurrencies, first, visit the eToro website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information accurately. Choose a strong password and complete the registration process. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new eToro account. Complete your profile by providing any additional details as requested. Next, ensure your account is verified by submitting required identification documents. Once your account is verified, navigate to the trading platform. Click on the Trade Markets section to explore cryptocurrency options. Browse through the list of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Select a cryptocurrency that interests you. To view traders for copy trading, go to the Copy People section. Use the filters to find traders based on performance metrics. Analyze their stats, including risk score and profit percentage. Once you find a suitable trader, click on their profile to view more details. Check their past performance and trading history. If you decide to proceed, click on the Copy button. Set the amount of money you want to allocate for copy trading. Confirm your allocation to start copying the trader. Monitor your investments regularly through your dashboard. You can modify or stop copying a trader as needed. Keep learning about trading strategies to enhance your experience. Stay updated on market trends to make informed decisions. Utilize eToro's educational resources for continuous improvement. Engage with the community to gain insights and share experiences. Now you're ready to begin your copy trading journey in cryptocurrencies with eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.